How to add music to videos on Android, full guide. In this video, I will show you how to easily add music to your videos using the CapCut app on your Android phone. Whether you are editing for fun, creating a content for social media, or working on a project, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store and search for CapCut. Download and install the app on your Android device. I have already installed the app. Step 2. Open the CapCut, tap the new project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Step 3. Tap on the audio tab on the bottom. Choose between adding music from CapCut's library or tap on the sounds to select music from your phone. Adjust the music track length to match your video by dragging the ends of the audio timeline. Step 4. Adjust the volume and effects. You can find tune on the music's volume, fade in out effects, or add voiceovers by using the options in the audio menu. Step 5. Once you are satisfied, tap the export button in the top right corner. Select your desired resolution and tap export. Now your video with music is ready to share.